Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and we're here with another phone case. This time it's from a company called ESR. Now, it just says protective phone case on the front. I was like, what the hell does that mean? And then I checked on the back of it, and it says glass case. Okay, that intrigued me a little bit more. Shall we have a quick look at it? Yeah, let's have a quick look at this bad boy, shall we? Let's just slide it out. Pop that off to the side. Boom, boom, boom. Chuck it off as well. It's got a box full, a side full of boxes right now with all these different cases. Let's take a little padding out. And voila. Yes, this case, this glass case, smashed the tests. Okay, you want to see what that is? There's a QR code. Go check it out. So let's just peel this off there. As you can see, this here is glass. I was like, really? Why not, eh? So the whole around it is like a TPU kind of material with a thin layer of glass there. So I don't know how protective it's going to be in terms of if you drop it, but I'm guessing it should be pretty good because, I mean, they do say that, you know, it passed its test, so, I'm not going to be testing it in today's video, I'll be honest with you. I just thought it was a very cool looking case. Very nice, you can see straight through it. I don't know if it's going to yellow up. Probably will, because TPU normally does. But the back won't, because it's all glass. Let's stick it on the phone, shall we? Because I've actually not put it on my phone yet. This is the first time I'm doing it. What I normally do is kind of just push down. A little bit more difficult than normal. Might because it's a bit more rigid, I guess, because of the glass on there. And there we have it. Oh, that's alright, isn't it? Huh? Can we clean it up? Is it going to wipe up nice and easy? It definitely is. Look at that. Look at the shimmer and shine on that bad boy. I must say, it feels nice. I don't know, it kind of feels a bit more solid than a normal TPU one would do. And I'm guessing that's obviously because it's a solid piece of glass in the back of there. Don't know if you can hear that. I'm just going to bring it a bit closer to the microphone. Yeah, that's solid. That's pretty nice. I like the look of it. It's a very nice kind of quality in terms of the TPU. You can see straight through it and see all the colours. As you can see there, it's got a nice little edge bumper on all of them. So if you do drop it, that should hopefully protect it from any kind of like, you know, banging so you don't crack your screen. I do like it. It's very, very nice. On the back of it too, well, let's start from the bottom, shall we? So on the bottom of it, it's got their nice size cutouts for your speaker, your microphone and your lightning port. That's pretty duty. You can see here is an ESR original. It's got the power button. And as you can see, it's got like little cutouts either side. So when you're pressing it in, it has that little bit of room. Much like some of the UAG cases, that's really, really easy to press in. I like that. That's very, very nice. On the top, absolutely nothing. And then down this side, it's got a nice cutout for the silencer switch. And then the volume up and down. Once again, those nice buttons, so that you press in very, very nice and easy. Going down there, it's got like a little place to put a lanyard if you want to put a lanyard on there. On the back of it, which I've just kind of noticed, if you look at the back of it here, it raises up at the ends. You see that? Let's get a better shot. There you go. You see it raise up here? And also on the bottom. There you go, see it a bit better that side there. So now when it's down like that, you ain't touching nothing. The whole back's lifted off the base, off the bottom. So you're probably not going to scratch this up either. That's pretty nice as that. And in terms of the camera cutout, as you can see, it's a very nice kind of deep camera cutout. And on the front of it, it's not really raised as much as the back, but it does have a lip. So in terms of the lip there, you can just see. So again, putting your phone down like that, you ain't going to have no problems. It's going to be A-okay. I'll be honest with you, I was going to do a quick video on this and just kind of get it out of the way. I've now got it on my phone and I really like this case. This feels really solid. Really, really solid. I definitely recommend this case. Yeah, I like it a lot. Look how cool it looks. Yeah, nice shiny, shiny, shiny. I think this might be my new case, guys. Wow. Anyway, that's it. That is the case from ESR. I will put a link down below to actually go check us out in particular. And again, it is real glass. So not just a full TPU. We've got TPU with a full glass back. That's pretty damn cool. And actually, before I do end the video, let's see how easy it is to take off, because it is glass and it was a little hard to put on. So let's take it off, shall we, and let's see how it does perform. So I'm hoping not to crack it. And I got to be honest with you, I am feeling that it's going to be a little harder than the normal case already. Yeah, that is well and truly on the phone. Okay, I don't want to be cracking the glass. Jesus. I guess one good thing is that when it's on there, it ain't coming off. Is it going to break? Nope, doesn't break. Happy days. Sam, finish the video. Anyway, people, any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. You can hit me up in a comment down below. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video and also subscribe. Go on, it's free. Honestly, it doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. But anyway, once again, I want to say thank you for watching, and you'll see me. Well, once again, you never see me that often, but you'll see these puppies and you hear this voice in my next one. I do like this case. Cheers, everyone.